Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone. There's quite a lot happening over South Africa at the moment, and overnight we had two sources of moisture affecting the country. The first was tropical moisture moving down from further northwards, and that met up with cooler maritime moist air that pushed in from the south. That moved in over the Eastern Cape, and where those two met up, we had heavy falls of rain taking place over parts of the Eastern Cape overnight and into this morning. At the same time, there was a band of showers and thunder showers through the central parts of the country. That's gradually starting to clear from the west, spreading further eastwards at the moment, and within that moist air we're going to see showers and thunderstorms developing during the course of today and even persisting into the latter half of this week. A quick look at some of the rainfall figures from yesterday and into the early hours of this morning. Southern KwaZulu-Natal had between 10 and 20 millimeters, but in the Eastern Cape some really significant falls of rain taking place. More than 50 millimeters affected some parts of the central interior. Grahamstown got 32 and Cape St. Francis along the south coast got 41 millimeters. So some excellent rain taking place over the province. For the rest of today, it will remain fairly cloudy along the south coast with a few showers in that area, while thunderstorms will redevelop throughout the central parts of the country. Those are going to spread further eastwards across the Highveld towards Gauteng and Mpumalanga, across KwaZulu-Natal as well. Ahead of that, still a very hot day expected for the Lowveld, while it will be mainly clear further westwards over most of the Northern Cape this afternoon. The rainfall probability map shows widespread showers and thunderstorms over parts of the Eastern Cape, extending into the KZN interior and later on for the southern parts of Mpumalanga. Similar conditions extend into some parts of the northwest, while scattered storms have been forecast for Gauteng and the northern Free State. There we see the showers still pushing in over parts of the Eastern Cape for today, up to a 60% chance still likely for Port Elizabeth. Two alerts have been issued for this Tuesday. The first is a watch for the likelihood of heavy rain taking place over KZN and southern Mpumalanga. More than 50 millimeters will be possible within these areas, and there is also a watch for the likelihood of localized urban flooding taking place over some parts of the Eastern Cape interior for today, where it's already quite saturated. Southwesterly winds are going to be fresh for Durban and Richards Bay, and a bit of a southeaster around the peninsula for the rest of today as well. Your maximum temperatures indicating significantly cooler conditions over the southern parts of the country, in particular for the Eastern Cape. All the cloud and rain in the area keeping things very cool for today. Milder around Gauteng as well, but very hot in the Lowveld. Mbombela gets to a high of 37. A look ahead to tomorrow, and some very wet weather likely around Gauteng, cooling things down quite a bit. Clear in the western parts. Cape Town gets to 27, and this pattern continues into Thursday. We're still expecting some rainfall over in Mpumalanga as well, and dry weather for much of the Cape provinces. That's all from the Weather Centre. Goodbye for now.